In this video, we'll be diving deep into the wild and wonderful world of animals. But not just any animals. We're exploring the hidden gems, the elusive creatures, the ones you never knew existed. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover some of the most bizarre, mysterious, and downright unbelievable animals on the planet. Ever heard of a creature that's a blend of a bear and a cat? Meet the Binturong. This fascinating creature, also known as a bearcat, boasts a distinctive appearance that's a delightful mix of the familiar and the unexpected. Picture a bear-like body covered in long, shaggy black fur, and a cat-like face peeking out from it. And let's not forget their prehensile tail, that's as long as their body, a tool they use for climbing and balancing. But their uniqueness doesn't stop at their looks. Binturongs have a trait that tickles the nose as well as the imagination. They carry a unique musky odor, often compared to that of popcorn or corn chips. Now this isn't just a quirky fact for dinner conversation. Binturongs use this scent for communication. They rub their scent glands, located near their rear, on trees and other objects to mark their territory. Their diet is as varied as their physical traits. Being omnivores, Binturongs feast on a wide range of foods that include fruits, leaves, insects, small mammals, birds and eggs. Essentially, they are opportunistic feeders, consuming whatever food is readily available in their environment. After a gestation period of around 3 months, females typically give birth to 1 or 2 offspring, adding more members to the Binturong family. These creatures call the dense forests of Southeast Asia their home, with their presence spread across countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and the Philippines. However, their homes are under threat. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, classifies Binturongs as vulnerable. Their populations are declining due to habitat loss, deforestation, and hunting for their fur and meat. But there is a silver lining. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and raise awareness about their plight. Isn't the Binturong an interesting blend of the familiar and the exotic? A bearcat that smells like popcorn, lives in the trees, and communicates through scent marking. Now let's move on to another hidden gem. Next, we're going underground to meet the Spalax, also known as blind mole rats. These fascinating rodents hail from various parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa, and they've carved out a niche for themselves in the subterranean world. When it comes to adaptations, the Spalax is a marvel. Tiny eyes and ears, along with powerful front claws, make them perfect for their underground lifestyle. These creatures don't just dig a hole and call it a day. Oh no, they create intricate tunnel systems that they use for foraging and nesting. And while they're not completely blind, they do have poor vision. Instead, they rely heavily on their sense of touch and smell to navigate their dark subterranean homes. But what does a creature of the deep earth eat? Well, the Spalax is a herbivore, feasting on roots, tubers, and other plant matter it comes across in its burrows. This diet might seem simple, but it plays a vital role in the ecosystem. As they dig and eat, they aerate the soil and recycle nutrients, contributing to the health and productivity of the land above them. However, it's not all praise for these underground dwellers. Those same digging habits that benefit the ecosystem can also wreak havoc on agricultural lands. Farmers often view the Spalax as a pest due to the damage their extensive tunnel systems can cause to crops. It's a challenging balance, appreciating the ecological benefits that these rodents provide while also managing the challenges they present to agriculture. The Spalax may be small and inconspicuous, but they are undeniably fascinating. Their unique adaptations and crucial ecological role make them an integral part of the world beneath our feet. So, the next time you're walking in a field or garden, spare a thought for the Spalax, hard at work in the unseen depths below. The Spalax, an unsung hero of the underground. Now let's head back above ground for our next creature. From the underground, we now move to the trees to meet the flamboyant Frilled Lizard. This remarkable creature, native to Australia and New Guinea, is best known for its show-stopping accessory, a large frill around its neck that it can extend at will. When fully unfurled, the frill forms a spectacular ruff that encircles the lizard's head, giving it an almost prehistoric appearance. The frill isn't just for show though, it serves a crucial role in the lizard's survival. When the frilled lizard feels threatened, it opens its mouth wide, unfurls its frill, and hisses loudly. This dramatic display, coupled with the lizard's sudden increase in size, is often enough to startle predators and buy the lizard some time to escape. But the frill isn't only for defense, it also plays a role in thermoregulation. By extending the frill, the lizard can increase its surface area, allowing it to lose heat more quickly on hot days. Conversely, on cooler days, the lizard can keep the frill folded against its body to conserve heat. The frill also comes into play during mating rituals. Males will extend their frills to impress females, signaling their readiness to mate. In this way, the frill serves as a form of communication among frilled lizards. As for its diet, the frilled lizard is an agile predator that primarily feasts on insects and small vertebrates. It spends most of its time in the trees or bushes, blending in with the environment thanks to its cryptic coloration. Here in the trees, it can hunt in relative safety, away from ground-dwelling predators. In summary, the frilled lizard is a testament to nature's creativity, using its unique frill not just for defense but also for thermoregulation and communication. It's a splendid spectacle that reminds us of the wonders of evolution and adaptation. The frilled lizard, a true spectacle of nature, but the wonders don't stop here. Let's dive into the world of the Hydrosaurus, the so-called sail-fin lizards. These impressive creatures are a sight to behold. They're large, often reaching lengths of up to a meter, including their tail, and they are known for their unique dorsal crest or sail, which is where they get their name. This sail, which extends from the base of their neck to the tip of their tail, is used for various purposes, including temperature regulation and attracting mates. The Hydrosaurus has a semi-aquatic lifestyle, which means it spends a good portion of its life in the water. But don't be fooled, these lizards are also excellent climbers, often found lounging on tree branches near the water. They are just as comfortable swaying in the trees as they are swimming in the water, making them incredibly versatile creatures. When it comes to their diet, Hydrosaurus are omnivores. They enjoy a varied diet which includes insects, small fish, and a variety of plants. This diverse diet allows them to thrive in a range of environments, from forests to swamps. One of the most fascinating features of the Hydrosaurus is their ability to walk on water. Yes, you heard that right. When threatened, these lizards can stand on their hind legs and run across the surface of the water, earning them the nickname Jesus lizards. This, coupled with their ability to hold their breath for up to 15 minutes, makes them masters of their aquatic domains. The Hydrosaurus is native to Southeast Asia, where they inhabit areas with plenty of water, such as rivers, swamps, and lakes. Unfortunately, like many unique and beautiful creatures, they face threats from habitat loss and the pet trade. In conclusion, the Hydrosaurus is a creature of many talents. With their unique physical appearance, semi-aquatic lifestyle, and impressive abilities, they are truly a testament to nature's endless creativity and diversity. Next is the Pudu deer, known as the world's smallest deer species, are native to South America, particularly found in the Andes Mountains of Chile and Argentina. They typically inhabit dense forests and are known for their small size, with adults standing only about 13 to 17 inches tall at the shoulder. Despite their diminutive stature, Pudu deer are excellent jumpers and can navigate through dense vegetation with ease. They have reddish-brown fur, adorned with white spots on their back, and their small rounded ears give them a charming appearance. Pudu deer primarily feed on leaves, buds, fruits, and twigs found within their forest habitat, and they are most active during the early morning and late afternoon hours. Due to habitat loss and hunting pressures, Pudu deer populations are declining, making them a species of conservation concern. Let's check out the Muntjac, also known as the barking deer or deerlet, is a small species of deer found in various parts of Asia. These diminutive deer are characterized by their short legs, rounded bodies, and distinctive barking vocalizations, which they use to communicate with each other. Muntjacs are primarily solitary animals, preferring to forage alone or in small family groups. They are known for their secretive nature and elusive behavior, often hiding in dense vegetation to avoid predators. Muntjacs are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, fruits, and leaves found in their forest habitats. Despite their small size, muntjacs are agile and swift runners, allowing them to navigate through dense undergrowth and escape potential threats. These unique deer play an important role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers and prey for larger predators. As we venture further into the wonders of Australia, we stumble upon a creature that defies convention, the platypus. Sporting a duckbill, webbed feet, and a tail resembling a beaver's, this intriguing mammal stands out in the animal kingdom. Interestingly, even though it's categorized as a mammal, the platypus lays eggs rather than bearing live offspring, placing it amongst the rare group of egg-laying mammals known as monotremes. Primarily nocturnal, the platypus spends a significant portion of its life in water, where it hunts for small invertebrates and crustaceans, using a unique sense called electroreception to detect electrical signals from their prey. The platypus also has venomous spurs on its hind legs, a feature that is unusual but not fatal to humans. However, the enchanting world of the platypus is threatened by habitat destruction, pollution and predation from introduced species, necessitating conservation efforts to secure their survival. As we bid adieu to the captivating world of the platypus, we prepare ourselves for an adventure to a new, distinct part of the planet, Madagascar. Our shift from the myriad ecosystems of Australia to the extraordinary landscapes of Madagascar is evident of our planet's stupendous range of biodiversity. Lastly, we introduce you to our next intriguing creature, the ii. Get ready to delve deeper into the world of wildlife as we continue our exploration. A unique and fascinating primate found only in Madagascar. It is known for its unusual appearance, with large eyes, bat-like ears, and a long, thin middle finger that it uses to extract insects from tree bark. Ii are nocturnal creatures and spend their nights foraging for food in the forest canopy. They primarily feed on insect larvae and fruit, using their specialized finger to tap on trees and locate hidden prey. Despite their odd appearance, Iis play an important role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers and contribute to the health of Madagascar's forests. However, they are considered endangered due to habitat loss and hunting, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Finally on our list, have you heard of the echidna? Known as the spiny anteater, it's a monotreme species found in Australia and New Guinea. Covered in spines for defense, echidnas use their long tongues to catch ants and termites. They reproduce uniquely, the females laying eggs that hatch puggles, the baby echidnas. These nocturnal, solitary creatures are vital for insect control and soil aeration in their ecosystems. Echidnas are considered iconic symbols of Australia's wildlife. Each of these creatures holds a unique place in our planet's ecosystem, reminding us of the importance of preserving our world's animal diversity. Did we guess you haven't heard about some of these animals? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Remember, there's always more to discover in the wild and wonderful world of animals. Until next time, stay curious.